Number 11 nakakuha ng bola. 11 drive, easy basket, 2 points. Berhel inbounding the ball, pass to Marbo. Marbo nagbababa ng bola. Marbo kahanap ng papasahan, pass to Cariaga. Pass to Cruz, kuha ni Berhel. Nakagaw uli na number Enriquez. Pass to number 11, good. Push, Barbo. Barbo nagmamadali, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Engineer. Right. Pass to Cariaga. Cariaga, no good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Rebound by Romero. Romero, easy 2 point. Oh, 2 points. Arias. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Right, good for 2. Easy basket. Barbo, dribbling the ball. Barbo naghahanap ng papasahan. Barbo, 15 to shoot. Pass to Berhel. Same ball.
Sana all.
Inbounding the ball, Engineer, Romero, pass to Barbo, to Cariaga. 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound by Nases. Illegal. Lifting po. Romero, inbounding the ball, pass to Barbo. Last 6 minutes and 22 seconds. Barbo. Pass to Cruz. Pass to Engineer. Nakakuha ni Neses. Neses nagbababa ng bola. Neses. Sasalaksak. Pass to Enriquez. Foul. Number 27. Cariaga. Enriquez, 2 shot. First shot. Second shot. Third shot, no good. Rebound by Romero. Romero pass to Cruz. Cruz
Last 6 minutes.
Cruz nagbababa ng bola. Cruz drives. No good. Rebound by Berhel. Berhel for 2 points. Good luck by Berhel. Wala pa yan. Enriquez. Pass to 5 from shot. Same ball.
Huwag lang maglaro dito.
Nases inbounding the ball. Pass to Enriquez.
14 shot clock.
Enriquez.
10 seconds shot clock.
Enriquez drive. Nakagaw ni Cruz. Nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Engineer. Romero. Pass to Cariaga. Kaso nabanda.
Last 5 minutes and 19 seconds.
Kabakuman ni pass to
15 seconds shot clock.
traveling violation ng habol ni Ref. Berhel inbounding the ball. Pass to Barbo. Barbo to Cariaga. Cariaga dribbling the ball. Cariaga drive.
Kaya yan.
Oh, still by Barbo.
Jel, ikaw na dyan, Jel. Ano na?
Last 4 minutes and 54. 4 minutes and 44 seconds ang oras po natin. Kabakuman, nagbababa ng bola.
Ay, kuya, nakashot sila. All 4 pa lang. All 4.
All for Kabakuman. Good boy for 2. No good rebound by Barbo. Barbo nagbababa ng bola. Barbo naghahanap ng papasahan. Barbo, pass to Romero. Romero.
Uy, Alin, sino mag-i-score dyan? Ala, 6-4.
6-4 po. Lamang in favor of Menabita. Kabakuman. Pass to No good. Rebound by Aris. Pass to Enriquez. Enriquez. Drive. No good.
Last rebound,
Barbo. Nagbababa ng bola. Barbo. Drive. No good. Barbo. Barbo. Pass to Berhel. Enriquez. Rebound by Enriquez. Number 11. Drive. No good.
Point guard, point guard.
Steal. Good for 2. All 6 po ang score.
Barbo, bola.
Carriaga, dribbling the ball. Carriaga, pass to Barbo, pass to Cruz, drive, no good. San Enrique, pass to Barbo.
Good. Ikaw na,
Barbo. To Carriaga, pass to Cruz, drive, pass to Berhen. Foul 46. Pagigos, first personal foul. Two shot.
10 seconds po ang oras po natin.
Ang score, all 6. Pangalawang pagbubuklo po. Dalawang po pumasok. Number 6 na gawala ng bola.
Last 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
14 seconds shot clock.
Good for 2. Nabawi po ka agad. Sa video. Barbo. Nagbababa ng bola. Barbo. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to
15 seconds shot clock.
Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Cruz. Drive. No good rebound by pass to Kabakungan. Pass to Rubelos for 2. Good. Ang third time out rep.
Hanip naman na yan.
2 by
Jel, gumil ka dyan, Jel.
pass to Enriquez.
14 seconds shot clock.
Enriquez, pass to Nases. Susubukan. Nases tumulog sa 3 seconds. Good rebound by Carriaga. Nagmamadali. Carriaga. Easy lang.
Barbo.
Pass to Diyos. Nice steal. Enriquez. Pass to Kabakungan. Dribbling Kabakungan. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Barbo. To Cruz. Nagmamadali. Pass to Berhel. Pass to Engineer. Nakaho ng foul. 0-1. Kabakungan.
Oras.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
First personal foul. 17 foul. First shot, good.
Jel, baka matamaan ka dyan, Jel.
Second shot. Enriquez si bowling the ball. Pass to Nases.
Makan siya.
Naghahanap ng play. Nases. Pass to no good for 3 points. Rebound by Enriquez. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Enriquez drive. Pass to Kabakungan. For 2. Good. Yes, sir. Carriaga dribbling the ball. Carriaga to Barbo. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock.
Hanip na yan. Nauna kasing hakbang.
Nabiling violation. Kabakungan. No good rebound by Romero. Carriaga dribbling the ball. Carriaga drive. No good rebound by Carriaga. Spot. Wala pa din. Rebound by Aris. Pass to Nases. Drive. Counted. Counted number 2. First shot.
Oo, counted.
Good.
30 seconds shot clock.
Pass to engineer. To Cariaga. Cariaga dribbling the ball. To Barbo.
30 seconds shot clock.
Barbo. Dribbling the ball. Barbo. Pass to
Sira.
save ball. Nakahawakan ni Kuya.
Bugo ka yung tawa na. Kalagot kayo. Schedule.
Last 17 seconds. Sento, inbounding the ball.
Nako po.
Pass to Barbo. Barbo. Kabakungan. DC 2 points.
Labas niyan.
Barbo inbounding the ball. Last 5 seconds. Barbo. Pass to Sento. Sento pulang. Good for 2. Recto in. Romero to Sakdal. Sakdal to Cruz. Cruz. Jumper. No good. The rebound.
Lapit, point guard, lapit. Uy, tingin.
Yeah, excuse me nga po. Hindi po nakita. Drive. No good. Okay, ball. Shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock.
Pasok.
5 seconds shot clock.
Pass to Rosario. Rosario drive. Pass.
Wala na kuya.
Counted.
Counted. Sira ulo talaga tong tao na to.
Not counted.
Knockout.
Inaanong na nga kasi kanina eh.
Umano na.
Not counted.
Nakita mong bumaser na.
Laban dito. Sakdal. To Bularon.
Nice day.
No good. To Sakdal. Drive. To Cruz. Bumalik pa. Tito Coron. Grabe naman yun. Recto. Dribbling the ball. Recto to
20 seconds shot clock.
Foul. Number 28. Sakdal. Ay, 26. Sakdal. Recto drive.
Last 10 seconds shot clock.
Sento.
Sige, una mo.
Pass to Bularon drive. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul si Rosario. Sabret.
Pwede namin gamitin tayo.
Sabret. Pwede.
Timeout muna sila.
Villanueva in.
Alang ilalim. Ilalim.
Sino na timeout?
Romero passing the ball. Pass to Bularon. Bularon dribbling the ball. Bularon. Kuya, asok mo mapa.
Asok ko, hindi pumakita rito.
Romero dribbling the ball. Romero for 2. No good. The rebound by stepping on the line. Villanueva inbounding the ball.
Technical.
Villanueva pass engineer. Ines.
Dan, pasang mo dan.
19. Sabret. Pasok. Bularon out. Kariagay.
Nagiday galaw.
Rosario.
Ano to no?
Pass to
Yan, mag-init na niya.
for 3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Nakakauli. For 3. No good. Rebound by Romero. Sakdal. No good. Rebound by Rosario. Ikot. Bugaba. Rosario nagmamadalit. Pass to Priat. Drive. Good for 2. Sakdal. Pass to Cariaga. Arriaga, next dribble. Pass to Villanueva. Score po. 19-14. Last 5 minutes and 33 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Arriaga for 2. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario, bounce. Pass to Pilas. Pilas drive. Nawala sana bola. Takkan with the rebound by pass by Arriaga. Arriaga to Villanueva. Villanueva drive to Arriaga ulit. Bola jumper no good. Still by number 11. Tabuero for 3. Bang! Counted.
Time out tayo.
27.
Rep, pagkana shoot time out.
Ito yun.
Ispirito. Number 6, Nases ulit. Binalikin Nases. Nases, nagbababa ng bola. Nases, drive. 50 seconds on clock. Pass to Prias. Take goal. Take ball. Blocking ball sa Cruz, number 2. Second personal foul. Same ball. Nases, drive, Nases. Traveling violation. Last 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Franz, nagbababa ng bola, humihingi ng pass to Berhel. To Nases, out of bounds. Save ball. Villanueva inbounding the ball. Pass to Franz. Franz naghahanap ng bababa. Pass to Arriaga. 4-2. Double good.
Dalawa lang.
Nases, nagbababa ng bola. Nases, 11. Nases. Pass to Prias. Pass to Kabauan. Pass to Prias. Migot. No good. Foul po. Defensive foul po. 88.
19.
Villanueva to Franz. Franz dribbling the ball. Franz sumalaksak to Berhel. Traveling violation. Nakita ni Rep yun.
Bola.
Magpopo muna sa ika ni Rep. Warning for penalty po. Warning for penalty po mga sir ko. Drive Nases, pass to Prias. No good, rebound by Berhel. 1 minute and nice steal. Nases for jumper. Bang! Good for 2. To Arriaga ni Franz. Arriaga ulit. To Villanueva. Drive. To Dios. Good. Rebound by Arias. Kabakungan. Number 1. Pass to number 6. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Nases. Bumangga pa. Good for 2 ulit. Score po 33-27. Last 42 seconds. 40 seconds. Pass to Villanueva for 3. No good. Rebound by Nases. Wait now. 30 seconds shot clock. Nases drive. Nases nagmamadali. Nases lumipad. Good for 2.
Pre, ano mo? 23 seconds.
Last 23 seconds.
Bungol man itong kuanggod. Bungol.
Nagpababa ng bola. Franz to Arriaga for 3. No good. Rebound by Nases. Last 10 seconds. Rebound. Good na po. Lamang 10. Arriaga, pass to Dijon. Number 16, pass to Nases. Dribbling the ball. Nases, drive, pass to number 6 for 3. No good. The rebound by Aris. Foul. Number 7, Seto. First personal foul. Result sampo.
Nasi tita dia tu.
Sampo.
Boleh kau baca doon.
Pasok na po yung magsasampo. Transat sa Agonin. (37-27). Arriaga, dribbling the ball. Arriaga, pass to Villanueva. To Arriaga, na-steal Kabangungan. Kabangungan nakuha ni Sagot, kaso nakuha ni Aris. Nakuha ni Prias po. Kabangungan, full of jumper. Good for 2. Sagot to Villanueva. Last 7 minutes. Arriaga, full of jumper. No good. Diriban by Nases, nagbababa ng bola. Nases, drive! Nakakuha ng foul doon. Who's foul rep? 19, Romero. Second personal foul. Unang tira pasok.
Oras.
Oras daw, Ronald.
6 minutes and 55 seconds po. Nases, good. Back to back points. Villanueva. Dribbling the ball. Villanueva to Arriaga. Dribbling the ball mo. Kuha ni Nases. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Kabakungan, Floro, good for 2. Arriaga, dribbling the ball. Arriaga to Villanueva, drive. Villanueva light. 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Reserve time at the reps. Arias to Kabakungan, good for 2. Time out rep. Villanueva, drive. Good for 2. Morales rebound. To pass to Prias. Nases for 2. Villanueva to Cruz drives, no good. Rebound by Nases to number 16, drive, no good. Rebound by Rector, jumper, no good. Rebound by Sagot. Villanueva susubukan revive, nagkapipa sa area, good for 2. Pass to 16. Dribbling the ball. 10 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds shot clock. 12. Pass to Recto for 3. No good. Rebound by Villanueva. Pass to Cruz for 2. Good for 2. Pass to Prias. Nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Marcos, pass to Frias, drive, pass to Arias. Last 4
Pag nakuha lang momentum, anak, patay na.
Score.
Pag nakuha lang momentum.
Ilan pa yung timeout namin?
Timeout ya.
Dalawa, may dalawa pa. Isa lang.
Isa na po. France, nagdi-dribble, pass to Saki.
Hanap na talaga.
Doon mga kaibigan.
Timeout daw, timeout.
Nases. Pass to Marcos, number 16, dribbling the ball. Sumagat. Pushing po. 24 France, pushing violation. Shot clock, 14 seconds, recto, pass to Pascual. Still by France. Recto to Laro, pasak, laro! Laki. Villanueva. Nagbababa ng bola. Villanueva, drive, ay! Naiba na pasan. Good lang po, Marles, 16, good for 2.
Sa mga repair yan eh.
Cruz.
Na.
52-33 po ang score. Last 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Engineer. Nakakuha ni...
Huwag mo ganyan klaro kung pasa ng buwangan eh.
Pasto Recto. Pilipan. To Engineer for good job. Nases. Ibalik the ball. Pass to... Margel, pass to Pascual. Good for 2. Romero, lumabang the ball, pass to France, to Villanueva, naghahanap ng papasahan. Villanueva po, 3, no good. Armin's ball po. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Nases, nagbababa ng bola. Nases, drive. Nases. 12 seconds shot clock. Traveling violation ng hatod ni Rex. 54-35 po. Ewan pa rin po ang Army. Villanueva, sa France, nagbababa ng bola. France, to Romero for 3. Nobit pa din. Rebound by Arias. Naghahanap. Foul, number 71. Warning for penalty ang Triple Labita. Nases, nagbababa ng bola. Nases to Pascual. Pascual susubok ng 3 points. Pascual, no good rebound by Cruz. Pass to Villanueva. Nag-drive, good for 2. Pascual, banging the ball. Puri by Engineer. Villanueva ulit. Back-to-back points by Villanueva. Nases, nagbababa ng bola. Last 1 minute and 44 seconds. 10 seconds. Good for 2. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Villanueva to France to Romero drive. Engineer, rebound niya pa rin. Rebound by Engineer. Good, Edward play by Engineer. Foul rep. Sabrep. Sabogero. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Score 56-41.
Oh.
Pasok ang pag-puslo. Pascual. Pass to Nases. 40 second shot. Nases drive. No good. Nases for no good pa rin. Nakakuha ng foul din. Penalty pa. Penalty na po.
56-42.
Third personal foul po. Romero.
Bugo pa rin na referee nun. Hindi kabalo malantang.
Nice one!
Ako yung bantayan.
Unang pagubos mo. Wala. Pangalawa.
Yan. Sila rin pa sa 15.
58 seconds po. Last 58 seconds. Aris. No good rebound by Romero. Romero to France. Cruz drive. Cruz pass to Sagum. No good.
Hindi man yung kakuha good ni God. Kanina bugo mo nga tao ni. O man ay ibuot niya nung gidula mo na di ay.
Recto nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Nases Fortuno. Good rebound by Romero. Pass to Villanueva. Good Fortuno. May up. Last 30 seconds.
Pili tamin naman eh.
44-56 po ang score.
Aha. Oh, pwede. Lulubay na. Lagi.
Excuse me po. Nice deep. Up.
Lulubay. Inom daw po siya.
7
Kapatid ko ni Jack
seconds
yan.
po.
Kapatid ni Jack.
Romero. Drive Romero for through.
Wala pa rin foul yun.
Pascual. Tunases. Tutabay. 5 seconds. Nases for three. Nag-rebound by Villanueva. France. Dribbling the ball. France for two. Pull up jumper. No good. Save ball. Save ball po. Cruz inbounding the ball. To the Dios. Good for two. Rosario. Ganap ng papasa. Enriquez pala yun. Enriquez drive. Nakakuha ng Malonus. Malweb. Number 2. Cruz. Third personal foul na po. Penalty. Hindi po ba? Shooting foul. Enriquez. Pangalawang pangubos lang.
Laro ka pa!
Enriquez. Pangalawa. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz to France. France to Carriaga. Carriaga drive to France ulit. France drive to De Jos. De Jos. Enriquez. Nagbababa ng bola.
Wala lang!
1 for 3. No good. Rebound by France. To Villanueva. Villanueva kakain. Villanueva. Foul. Foul po.
Walo lang!
48-56 po ang score. Walo na lang po ang hinahabol ng Team Bellavita. 9 minutes pa po ang oras. Unang pagbuhos daw para kay Villanueva. No good. Diyan ko magpalis na pare. 71. Pasok ang una. Dito. Alam. Villanueva.
5 seconds shot clock.
Reserve timeout po. Bellavita. Carriaga. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva. Naghahanap ng papasahan pa Carriaga. Carriaga to Villanueva.
10 seconds shot clock.
Villanueva.
5 seconds shot clock.
Villanueva drive to Carriaga, Carriaga, good to Villanueva, good for two, Villanueva. Kabakungan, dribbling the ball. Kabakungan,
14 seconds
14 seconds shot clock. Kabakungan, Kabakungan for two, good bola. Diyos, Villanueva to Trans. Trans, nagbababa ng bola. To Carriaga, to Diyos, bola jumper. Good for two. Kabakungan, nagbababa ng bola. Enriquez, good for two. Grabe, nakatukan sila dyan. De Dios, to Franz. Reserve time out po.
Hindi pwede yun. Ma-shoot eh.
Carriaga to Villanueva drive to De Dios, no good rebound by Villanueva, good. Enriquez driving the ball. Enriquez nagbababa ng bola. 15 seconds shot clock. Enriquez drive. Save ball. Enriquez naghahanap ng pamasahan. Pass to Kabakungan. 10 seconds shot clock. Kabakungan to Frias for three. No good. Artes nagkakat naman yan. Magbabater naman yan eh.
Nasabi kasi.
Francis to Villanueva. 15 minutes shot clock. Villanueva nagbababa ng bola. Tila. Peace Natuar. Magkakaibigan tayo dito. Nases, nagbababa ng bola. Nases. Naghahanap ng pabasa. 15 seconds shot clock. 64-55 po ang score. Last 6 minutes po. Trans, nagbababa ng bola. Trans to De Dios, to Carriaga, pull up jumper, sagot to Carriaga, ulit, siya uli nakakuha sa Cruz, binungot, wala pa din. Nadalo. Nakakuha ni Villanueva sa Cruz, to Villanueva. 10 seconds shot clock to Carriaga. 5 seconds. And then, Kabakungan.
Doon! Ay!
Itong pili na to
Bola
eh.
po ng Belabito.
Mura lang yung arma eh.
Belabito po ang bola. 5 minutes and 23 seconds po. Run. Doggy, alis ka dyan. Doggy, matatapuran ka dyan. Aso. Yung aso po, pakitabi mo muna. Pakitali. Run. Reserve time out po ang Team Bellavita. 10 seconds shot clock. Pare, nakakasakit. De Dios, Riva Martinez. Tingnan na mga bola to Narces, for two. Riva Martinez. Time out. 21 seconds. Dalawa sa kabila, kasi isa po sa inyo. Francis, nagbababa ng bola. Franz, nakuhali Franz, bola, pas to Romero, drive, good for two. Nates, tutali na doon, sa Frias. 4 minutes and 20 seconds po. nagbababa ng bola. Nases, 10 second shot clock. Nases,
Nice one!
Nasty, pass to Espiritu for 3. Good for 3. Nases sa Villanueva, nagbababa ng bola. Villanueva, gumagawa ng paraan. Villanueva, napakaganda ng side step naman no, ulat. Espiritu, bola, number 6, nagbababa ng bola. 59-71 po ang scorer. Espiritu,
Hawi!
foul, number 24, Franz. Second team foul. Second personal foul. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Prias, drive, pass to Nases, still in Cruz, to Prias, inside, step set. Nakuha ni Franz, to Villanueva, to Romero,
Oh, 10 na lang, 10!
Sampu na lang po ang lamangan ng Army. Espiritu drive. Espiritu nag-aanap na papasahan. Hinaharap ni Franz. 15 minutes at 15 seconds shot clock. To Kabakungan. Good for 2. Grabe naman ang shooting ni Kabakungan. Grabe yun. Last 3 minutes. Franz nagdadala ng bola. 57 shot clock. Reserve sub daw po. Cruz. Drive. Good for 2. Prias, Nases, pinapreso ni Villanueva, tingnan natin, last 15 seconds shot clock. Foul, no grip, Villanueva. Second personal, third team foul. Sabrep, pasok na po, papasok. 2 minutes and 43 seconds po. Around plus 2. 10 seconds shot clock. Espiritu. 5 seconds shot clock. Espiritu. For 3. No good. Rebound by Prias. Drive. No good. Rebound by Villanueva. Nagbababa ng bola. Villanueva. Nakakuha ng foul doon. Number 11, Nases. Second team foul. 10 lang po. Score pare.
73-63. Bola!
Score pare. 73-63. 10 lang po. Buha mo ng bola. Si Villanueva drive. Villanueva pass to Mendoza. Romero. Tao po. Espiritu drive. Nakakuha ng foul doon, Espiritu. Foul number 10. Warning penalty po ang Bellavita. Mendoza. 10 second shot clock. 2 minutes po. Last. Nakakuha muli ng foul. Penalty po. Penalty shot. $63-58, 68-73 po ang score. Ay, 65-73 po ang score in favor of Army.
Knockout.
Isa pa tayo natin.
Hindi mo na-shoot.
Good.
Kid, sulok ka!
Romero. Pass to Villanueva. Drive. Villanueva, no good. To Romero. For 2, pulang jumper. Good for 2. Mendoza nawawala sa bola. Mendoza to Espiritu. Mendoza Espiritu. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Kabakungan. Nonob. Rebound by 5 seconds shot clock. Suarez. Sabra.
Ito lang.
Karyaga. Karyaga. To Romero. Romero umatake. Romero drive for two. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Sabra. Mendoza out. Barboin. Mendoza out. Mendoza.
Last 1 minute.
Inbounding the ball. Pwede Marvin to Nases nagbababa ng bola. Last 2 ball. Nases man to man. Nases. Joel Torrias. Rebound by France. France to Villanueva. Villanueva nagbababa ng bola. Villanueva drive. Inbounding the ball. Kabakungan. Tarian. So Kabakungan, naghahanap na pabatahan, Kabakungan. Last 30 seconds, Kabakungan drive, steal back. Arrest, shot clock. 15 seconds. 14 seconds. Nases, last 20 seconds. Nases drive, na-rebound ni Group. Villanueva drive, good for two. Kabakungan.
Time out.
Last 10 seconds.